A design revolution unveiled of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Galaxy Z Fold series, renowned for its innovative folding display, is set to undergo a transformation with the forthcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6. The anticipated specifications of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 have been met with widespread approval. Traditional folding phones have maintained the depth of standard smartphones when unfolded, but once folded, they resemble a bulky relic from 2003. Have you ever pondered the future of smartphones? Are you ready to step into a world where your phone can transform in a blink of an eye? Unveil the enigma with Samsung's groundbreaking Galaxy Z Fold 6. This isn't just a smartphone, it's a revolution in your pocket. Ready to unfold the future? Dive in now and witness the evolution of technology at its finest. Before we start, smash that like button and subscribe for more latest and cutting-edge tech content. Join our tech revolution today. Post the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Competitors like Oppo, OnePlus, and Honor have introduced foldables with varied form factors, including screen ratios that are more user-friendly and sleeker designs. In comparison, the Z Fold 5 appears rather hefty. Samsung seems to be addressing this issue by reducing the physical size of its flagship foldable. The 16mm depth of the Z Fold 5 is expected to be reduced by 25% to 11mm, making it the slimmest Samsung foldable yet, even thinner than devices from Oppo and Open. While this doesn't match the 8.6mm depth of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, ignoring any protruding camera island, the change will be noticeable when handling the device. The comparison between the first and second generations of the Honor Magic Foldable, with the latter being just 10.1mm, has made the newer device seem more appealing to the regular smartphone market. Another anticipated change to the Z Fold 6 design should contribute to a more conventional feel for the foldable. Earlier models featured a tall and thin cover display, which, despite Android's ability to lay out most apps in this space, could feel cramped. The new aspect ratio of the inner display is expected to affect the cover display's size, bringing it closer to the standard size that many users anticipate. The original Galaxy Z Fold had to make several compromises to incorporate the magical hinge. As the foldable market welcomes new players, Samsung's design modifications aim to make the Z Fold series more appealing to consumers, paving the way for mainstream success. And there you have it, a glimpse into the future with Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6. As we close this chapter, remember that the world of technology is ever evolving, and the only constant is change. Stay tuned, stay curious, and continue to unfold the future with us. Until next time, keep exploring the extraordinary. Peace out.